Imagine yourself in the Chevrolet 2016 Tahoe LT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 1 LT, premium smooth ride suspension package, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose premium 9-speaker system, CD player, premium audio system, Chevrolet MyLink radio, Chevrolet MyLink AM/FM stereo and single slot CD MP3 player. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.